and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be making blueberry cookies, but before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss other of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So these are going to be purple cookies, but they're not going to be purple from any food dye or anything bad like that. It's just going to be straight from your blueberries. So these are going to be super good, super delicious. There's no eggs in this recipe if you are vegan, and if you want to use a vegan butter or flour or something like that, you're more than welcome to do so. So all you're going to need for this recipe is your flour, some baking powder, a little bit of salt, some sugar, your butter, of course your blueberries, and then just your chocolate chips. I'm using white chocolate chips here, but you can use whatever it is that you want. So all you're going to need is just a bowl, a whisk, or a hand mixer, and then just your little cookie sheet. So the first thing that you guys are going to want to do is start creaming your butter, your sugar, and your blueberries together. So I'm just going to go ahead and get a hand mixer and my apron, and we're going to get started. Okay, so just to make things a little bit easier, I'm just going to go ahead and take all of the dry ingredients and put them into the same bowl, everything aside from your sugar. And then I'm just going to whisk this up a little bit just until this is all well incorporated. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add our butter. You're just going to want to leave that out for a little bit so it's softened. And then our sugar. Okay, so we have our butter and our sugar in here, and I forgot to tell you guys that you need to put your frozen blueberries in the microwave for a little bit. And then you're going to go ahead and add those in, and then just start creaming your butter and sugar and everything together. Okay, so now you're just going to go ahead and start incorporating all of your dry ingredients, and then all it's left to do is to fold in our chocolate chips. Okay, so you guys should have something that looks like this, nice and purple. And now all that's left to do is to fold in some chocolate chips. Okay, now you guys can go ahead and put these in the freezer to make them easier for you guys to measure out. But all I'm going to do is take some Pam and a little measuring cup, and then I'm just going to measure out my cookies this way. They come out perfect. Okay, so I have 6 cookies. There are about 1/3 of a cup each. You guys can make them bigger or smaller, doesn't matter, it's up to you, but they should look something like this. And now we're just going to go ahead and bake for 10 to 13 minutes, so we'll see you guys in 10 minutes and we'll see how they turn out. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's check on our cookies. How good do these look? So as you can see, they're like a little bit golden brown on the edges, so they're definitely done. I'm just going to go ahead and leave these to cool for a little bit, and then we're going to come back and try some. Okay guys, we're all done and we've cooled down a little bit. How good do these look? They're super like squishy, very, very moist and like thick, almost a little bit cakey. Cannot wait to try these. These are so good. This literally tastes like cake. I love adding the blueberries and the white chocolate chips here. So I don't know if the blueberries made these super moist or what is going on here. But these are so soft and very cakey, but they're still crispy on the outside. Just the inside center is very like chewy gooey, which is how I like my cookies. And then the chocolate chips are just melted down just a little bit. So good. Not that you should feel bad about eating any kind of dessert, but I definitely don't feel bad about eating these. I think it'd be really cool to try them out with different fruit too, like maybe some strawberries or raspberries or even bananas or something like that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, but that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And share this video with anybody you know who likes cookies. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, make sure to head over in my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.